How to use Love Chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Now let's say you want to change the chat theme of this specific conversation into a love chat theme. All you have to do in order for you to change that theme into love is to click on that specific conversation right there and click on this eye icon on the upper corner right here. Once you're here, you'll be able to see that under customization, the theme right here. So all you have to do is to click on that and then scroll down until you find the love chat theme. Now, this is right here. Now, if you click on that, you will be able to see the preview of how your chat is going to look like. Once you've decided to use this specific chat theme, which is the love chat theme, on your Facebook Messenger with this specific conversation, all you have to do is to tap on select right here. And now you have changed this specific chat theme into love. So that's how to use love chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope we help.